Hello friends, in this lesson I will be discussing the closed system work under the course the concepts of energy interactions. In energy interactions there is work transfer as well as energy heat transfer. In previous lesson I have told you the definition of work transfer in thermodynamics. In this particular lesson I will be talking about closed system work, which is very important in GATE as well as for engineering service examination. But before proceeding further I would like to introduce myself. My name is Harshit Agarwal, graduated from NIT Nagpur in 2008. I have cleared the Indian Engineering Services examination. I have got the offer letter from most of the Maharatna and Navaratna companies. I have cleared the GATE examination as well. Regarding course fee, there is no course fee as such, but your contributions are always welcomed. You can also follow me on the specified link. So to start with, what is the closed system? First of all, I would like to say that closed system is also called as non-flow work. Closed system work is also called as non-flow work, and open system work is also called as flow work. So open system is equal to flow work and closed system is equal to non-flow work. So this is the simple piston cylinder arrangement of closed system. We are deriving the derivation for closed system work, that is dW equal to integral PdV. You all must have seen this derivation dW equal to this equation W equal to integral PdV or dW equal to PdV, which is the closed system work or non-flow work. See, this is the piston cylinder arrangement. This is the piston whose cross-sectional area is A, and inside the cylinder there is a gas whose pressure is P. The pressure P is applied on the piston. The moment the pressure P is applied on the piston will move out with a small displacement dx, and F is the force applied on the piston. See, this is the piston cylinder arrangement. The cross-sectional area of the piston is A. Gas pressure is P. This gas pressure P is applied on piston. The piston will move out with a small displacement dx, and the force applied on the piston is F. So with the concepts of physics, we already know that work is equal to force into displacement. So dW is equal to why I have written d bar W, I will tell you later, because it is an inexact differential. It is not an exact differential, right? dW is equal to force into displacement. F is the force applied on piston and dx is the displacement. We also know that pressure is equal to force upon area. So in place of F we are writing P into A, that is pressure into area, pressure applied on the piston into cross sectional area into dx, that is Pa into dx. So the work transfer dW is equal to PdV. Work transfer dW is equal to PdV. So work transfer in closed system is equal to integral PdV. P is the pressure applied on the system and dV is the change in volume. P is the pressure applied on the piston and dV is the change in volume. So dW equal to integral PdV. This is the closed system work or non-flow work. Keep in mind the formula for closed system work is dW equal to integral PdV, closed system or non-flow work. So how to use this formula in closed system? Simply, how to calculate the work on PV diagram. In PV diagram, this is the simple curve. This is the process from 1 to 2. The process from 1 to 2. If I'll ask you a simple question, calculate the work transfer in this particular process which is growing from 1 to 2. What you have to do is that you have to just project this curve on volume axis. Just project this curve on volume axis. The area which you will get is the closed system work. You have to project the curve on volume axis. Simply project the work on volume axis. You can calculate the work transfer. See, there are two processes. One process is process A, which is from 1 to 2. See, this is very important, very important. 1 to 2 एक process है which is A, and 2 to 1 दूसरा process है which is B, right? There are two processes, 1 to 2, A and B. You have to calculate the work transfer in A as well as in B. आपको work transfer calculate करना है A process में and B process में. Do you think कि ये work transfer same होगा? ऐसा नहीं, क्योंकि अगर आप प्रोजेक्ट करोगे B कर्व को वॉल्यूम एक्सिस पे तो आपको रेड कलर जो हैश लाइन है वो आपको वर्क ट्रांसफर मिलेगा. अगर आप ए कर्व को प्रोजेक्ट करोगे वॉल्यूम एक्सिस, इफ यू विल प्रोजेक्ट द ए प्रोसेस ऑन वॉल्यूम एक्सिस, यू विल गेट द कर्व मार्क्ड एज ग्रीन. सो डू यू थिंक these two hashed line, the two hashed area are same? No, they are not same. The curve 1 to 2, the A curve projected on volume axis with green color and the B curve projected on volume axis with red color, they don't have a same areas, they have different areas. Curve A has different area than curve B. So फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कीप इन माइंड, अगर आपको किसी भी कर्व का वर्क ट्रांसफर निकालना है, आपको उसको वॉल्यूम एक्सिस पे प्रोजेक्ट करना है. सी द एंड पॉइंट्स ऑफ दीज टू कर्व्स आर सेम, विच इज 1 and 2. Since the work transfer are different, एंड पॉइंट्स दोनों के सेम है 1 and 2, एंड वर्क ट्रांसफर आर डिफरेंट, सो वर्क ट्रांसफर इज नॉट द एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशियल. नेवर राइट W. इफ एनीवन विल आस्क यू फाइंड द वर्क ट्रांसफर फॉर 1 and 2, अगर आपसे कोई पूछेगा वर्क ट्रांसफर फाइंड करो 1 से 2, कभी भी ये नहीं लिखना W2 माइनस W1, बिकॉज इफ यू कैन सी W2 माइनस W1 दोनों पाथ के लिए सेम है. W2 माइनस W1 दोनों पाथ के लिए सेम है, लेकिन पाथ दोनों के डिफरेंट है और एरियाज भी डिफरेंट है. दैट इज वाई वर्क ट्रांसफर इज अ इन एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशियल. वो एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशियल नहीं है. आप कभी भी वर्क ट्रांसफर का एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंस फाइंड नहीं कर सकते. हमेशा लिखो वर्क ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम 1 to 2 इज इंटीग्रल PdV, और इंटीग्रल PdV की वैल्यू ए कर्व के लिए डिफरेंट आएगी और बी कर्व के लिए डिफरेंट आएगी. मैं समराइज करता हूं जितना भी मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया. आई वॉन्ट टू समराइज वॉट एवर आई एक्सप्लेन टू यू. वेन एवर यू हैव टू फाइंड वर्क जस्ट प्रोजेक्टेड ऑन वॉल्यूम एक्सिस. ये समझ में आ गया. दिस इज वेरी सिंपल. In any, if you will project any curve on volume axis, you will get the work transfer. Area under the curve when projected on volume axis gives closed system or non-flow work. Area under the curve when projected on volume axis give closed system or non-flow work. For path A and B, though the endpoints are same, in दोनों के endpoints are same है. The areas are different, लेकिन area different है. So work transfer is also different and it is a path function. For path A and B, endpoints दोनों के same है, but work transfer is different for path A as well as for path B, because areas are different for path A as well as for path B. Hence it is an inexact differential. इसलिए ये जो work transfer है ये inexact differential है. आप इसका exact difference find नहीं कर सकते. So first of all, if you have to find the work transfer projected on volume axis, always write work transfer from 1 to 2 is equal to integral PdV. Never write dW equal to W2 minus W1, which is wrong. So here it is an inexact differential. So conditions for applying the equation, ये जो condition है W equal to integral PdV, ये किसके लिए? सबसे पहली चीज, it system must be a closed system, because हमने closed system के लिए derivation करी है, तो W equal to integral PdV, it is for a closed system. It should cross the boundary. We all know that work transfer is a boundary phenomena. Third, the process must be a reversible process. W equal to integral PdV, it is valid only for a reversible process. See, reversible process कौन सा process था? Quasi-static process. और integration कब valid है? Integration is valid only for a continuous path. See, this is the continuous path. Integration is valid only for a continuous path, and reversible process is shown by continuous path. If you have seen in your books that the irreversible process is shown by dotted line. Process is shown by dotted line. So irreversible process continuous path नहीं है. That is why उसमें integration हम calculate नहीं कर सकते. So work transfer is not valid for irreversible process. Work transfer is valid only for a reversible process. So I would like to summarize. First of all, W equal to integral PdV is valid only for a closed system. It is a boundary phenomena and it is a reversible process. And the fourth important thing is work transfer is an inexact differential. You cannot find simply the change in work, which is W2 minus W1. You have to calculate the work transfer. So अभी आपको समझ में आ गया कि closed system work क्या है? W equal to integral PdV. It is a boundary phenomena. It is an inexact differential and it is valid only for a reversible process. One important point I want to mention over here is that in engineering service examination, if you will face any question related to work transfer, just write these points, it will fetch you extra marks. So it is very important, go through this particular lesson at least thrice or 4 times so that closed system work could be clear to you. So in upcoming lessons, I'll be solving the numerical process on this particular concept. Thanks a lot from my side. All the best. This is Harshit Agarwal.